Okay, here's the video.
Alright. Well, so much for the Lake Superior. We're too low on that. But we are in Duluth. And here is that American flag on the truck. Well, made it to Duluth. Here in the Lake Superior. On our way to Georgia Manitou State Park. In about another maybe an hour and 15-minute drive. Just checking out the scenery here. Nice day too. Oh yeah, very nice. I slipped on that rock there, damn it. Yeah, look at that bright blue sky. Look at the mountain. Look at the mountain.
Wow, that's really pretty.
Oh, don't worry, I got that too. I got that too. I got on video.
Yeah, no, just drive.
Hey, yeah. We're almost there. To the Georgia Crosby. Right there.
Sure.
Wow. You want to see what she looks like? Okay. Alright, we're at the Georgia Crosby State Park. Check to see what it got, this little information area. So, check in. Oh, they changed it. Yeah, they really changed it. No, you don't need to check in anymore. What do you know? That's even better. Just pay for the site and you just go to your site. That's cool by me. Alright, we got to get to our site. We'll arrive at the state park at 1:10 p.m. So, park's in there. Okay, we got to keep going, we got a long walk. Well, what do you think, Way? Very tiring? Here we are. Yellowbird Trail. That way to 10 and 13 and up. This way 6, 7, 8, and 9. But yeah. That sucks. What the hell? Okay.
7. I'm pretty fat right now.
Well, you can't tell because of the backpack, so. Wow. Anyways.
Okay, here.
Alright.
Come here, my vagina's sweating.
Hey, man. My dick hole is sweating
Bleeding
too.
too?
Alright, we made it to camp. I gotta set this stuff up. That was a treacherous walk. We started out at 2:20. Right now it's 3:46 p.m. Yes, get the fire going. Ooh, we got a nice log over there. Hell yeah. Yeah. The latrine or the vaulted toilet's over there. Yeah, the tent's gonna be right over there. Alright, gotta get the stuff set up. Alright, let's go take a look. Looks like vaulted toilet. Here we go. Mr. Toilet, where you meet the toilet? Meet the toilet. Alright, here we go. Where you at? The hell of a. Oh. There's Mr. Toilet over there. There we go. That's Mr. Toilet. We have to hang our food up somewhere just in case to attract some wild animals. So Going back. Campsite's over there. Gotta set up some stuff yet there. I don't know where this trail goes, so let me check. Well, it's like another entryway to get to 9. Oh. Campsite 9, sus. Huh. Well, there must be 13's over there. 9's over here. Let's go around. Let's go take a look. See what we got there. Alright. Ooh. Well, let's go look down here. Well, so we'll be that's a Manitou River. Trail goes down there. Let's go back up over here. Here we go. I'm back in the camp. Oh, damn nature. Huh. Better go back to the wife. That's the wife getting the tent stuff ready to go, the bed. I still got to work on that one. And I got to get the fire going soon. So yeah. Rough. Nice blue sky up there. Look at that. Nice blue sky. Tell me that does not look awesome. It is awesome. It's awesome. Oh shit. Huh? Alright. Cooking up some of that kielbasa over the grill. Making some minute rice. So yeah. The wife's taking a nap over there. Long walk. Like I said, started like at about 2 something. And up to 2:22 something like that, maybe about 3 or 4 o'clock. It's a nice day though. Nice and windy. It'll die down later. It's all good. This is what life is all about. Camping in the woods. Awesome.
Can you even see?
Yeah, I can see. There's a little bungalow there. The shit's over there. Oh, damn it. Right in my eye. Can fire.